front lever cranks. So this is a straight arm exercise. It's somewhat advanced, but I'll show you a variation that anyone can access. So the unassisted beginner version is starting from a hang position. You're going to pull yourself up so your knees are lifted up, and then pull yourself into a flat back kind of position, and then come down again. Now the key for this one is shoulder depression, so shoulders down towards the hips and a little bit back. So what that looks like is from this position, this is a dead hang position, you're going to engage your shoulders. So then you're coming into shoulder depression, pull those knees up, shoulders come back, pull yourself up, and then lower back down. So that's one crank. Now, if that is a bit of a challenge, then you can use a band and you can assist the movement like this. So you come in, you can put your feet in it, and then same thing, you're going to depress your shoulders, pull yourself out, and then lower back down again. If you need to go more advanced, then, wait a minute, then you can start with different leg positions. So you can go straddle, you can go a half tuck position, which is one knee tucked up, or you can go the full version, which is legs out straight. So I'll do the straddle version. Straddle version is exactly the same. So in this one, you need to engage your core more. So there's pulling of the diaphragm, so pulling the abs in towards the spine, butt stays engaged, legs are nice and tight, shoulders are exactly the same, so shoulder depression and retraction, pull yourself up, and then lower back down. So that is the front lever with different variations.